Hello everyone. In this particular video, we're going to talk about the code feature of Robby and Bonny. So, as the name suggests, this particular feature can be used to design programs on the fly for Robby and Bonny. Let's go inside the code feature to understand more about it. As you can see the screen is logically divided into three different parts. The extreme left hand side is the area where different kind of blocks exist. Your forward, left, right and function block that can be dragged and dropped onto the middle area, which is the checkerbox area where the sequences or the logics are made. And then finally the extreme right hand side is where there are the different kind of action buttons. So whenever we have to write any particular logic for Robby or Bonny, we drag and drop these blocks onto this checkerbox area, and once the logic is written, then we press either a run button or a debug button to test the logic. So let's try our first program. So let's assume the problem statement that you are given is that you have to move Robby or Bonny forward by 9 inches. So in that case, what you would do is you will simply drag a forward block and drop into this area at the start position. And once you press the debug button, it is going to tell you what is going to execute. And if you press the run button, the actual execution will happen. So let me press the run button and see what happens with Bonny. Yes, Bonny moved forward by 9 inches. Isn't that awesome? Now let's try to do this with the left or right block. Let's drag and drop the left block onto the checkerbox area, and once we press the run button, what we would see is that Bonny would turn exactly by 90 degrees. Absolutely, as you see, Bonny has turned exactly by 90 degrees. If I had put the right block here, then Bonny would turn right by 90 degrees exactly. As you can see, it is absolutely 90 degrees. Isn't that awesome? What you had seen in this particular application was execution of a single instruction or a single block. But honestly, programming is not that simple. Programming is always execution or sequencing of multiple tasks. So let's try to see if that is possible in this application or not. So let me try first dragging and dropping forward button, then the left block and then the right block. And let me see what happens corresponding to it onto the Bonny. It goes forward, turns a left turn 90 degrees, turns a right turn. So this is how we have learned how to build logic or sequences using multiple blocks. Now it's time to try everything on the arena. As you can see on the arena, Bonny is kept on position number 18. Ideally what we want to do is go to 13 and then 14. So we'll first drop a forward block, then a right block and then a forward again. Now let's try debugging it first and run it. So it goes from 18 to 13 forward, takes a right turn and another forward from 13 to 14. Voila! Now let's try to solve another problem. As you can see, Bonny is kept on position number 18. We want to take it to 17, 12 and then it's to its home. So what we will do is, we'll first go forward, then we'll go right, then another forward, followed by one more forward. So this is the first forward, now the right turn, another forward and one more forward, and Bonny reaches his home. In the next video, we're going to talk about this very exciting feature called functions, which is the building blocks of any kind of programming paradigm that you can see.